Hello, I'm Dr. Sudharkmurthy. This is an introductory video for my Part 1 LDS and ORE Examination Preparatory course. I do online lessons for Part 1 LDS and ORE Examination subject topics. I can also suggest some free online resources for passing IELTS. LDS and ORE Part 1 examination is theory and knowledge-based testing. Therefore, it's quite important to learn and understand concepts well in order to do well in multiple choice questions. Besides, this lays a good foundation for you to pass your Part 2 examination too. Therefore, I'm going to emphasize and focus on teaching concepts well. If you want to get through this examination in the first attempt, you need to plan well. Time management and targeted preparation. This is because you're tested exhaustively across the entire 5-year BDS subject topics. You will also need to read UK guidelines which are exhaustive. It's going to take a number of months for you to read several guidelines, and this makes it a challenging preparation. So I will give you tips and tricks for saving and managing time. I can share all my materials and notes with you, as well as highlight the most important aspects for you to read in order to save time. We can also discuss most frequently asked questions that might appear in the examination. I can also guide you as to what question banks you will need to prepare for the multiple choice questions alongside my lectures. We can also arrange some revision sessions or question and answer sessions later if you wish. You will have my full support until you finish your examination. If you want to access the course, if you want to take the course, you can contact me on my email address or Facebook site. I have put a link to my Facebook site and my email address in the description box below. I am willing to offer small online group sessions for Part 1 LDS and ORE examination. I've also put a link to video which where I'm discussing the structure of LDS RCS Part 1 examination. I hope you liked my video, and kindly like, subscribe and share with your friends, as well as comment on the section below. And I look forward to see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.